I'm in the solar system simulation looking at Earth and Mars. We start up time and watch which one is going faster. Is Mars catching up or getting ahead with Earth here? When would you launch a rocket to be able to make it to Mars? Now, what happens if we zoom down over the surface of Mars? Those were enlarged just to make it easier to see. It's got two moons here, Phobos and Deimos. Oh my goodness, those move so fast, so we'll have to slow down time. So you see there are the moons orbiting around Mars, and then you can also go to the view where you're on Mars looking out towards the sun in this case. Do you see there's the Earth way out there? If I make it bigger, you can see it. So you could be on the surface of Mars looking out, seeing its moons go by, seeing Earth move so slowly coming towards you. It's a pretty cool way to visualize the solar system.